Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying Roobet access rules for your country and confirming your account meets age requirements. This avoids later blocks. Next, choose a VPN provider known for speed and privacy. Look for no logs, strong encryption, and shared IP pools to reduce fingerprinting. Install the provider's app on your device, sign in, and enable multi-factor authentication where possible. Once done, you'll be ready to pick a server and configure basic settings so the connection is optimized before you continue. You now connect. Pick a VPN server located in a country that permits access and offers low latency to Roobet. That reduces lag and lowers detection risk. Then enable the kill switch so your traffic stops if the VPN drops, and toggle obfuscation or stealth mode if your ISP inspects traffic. Choose the protocol balancing speed and stability. Make sure DNS leak protection is on. Once configured, run a quick IP and DNS leak test to confirm your real location stays. You should now log into Roobet with the VPN active and check that games and balances load correctly. Use a private browser session if cached assets cause issues. If you see blocks or errors, switch to a different server in the same region, change the VPN protocol, or enable obfuscation and try again. If problems persist, test access without the VPN to confirm whether the issue is the VPN or the site. Finally, gather client logs and contact your VPN support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.